Hello everyone, here are the latest market news on July the 23rd, 2019. Futures up, pounds fall amid fears of recession. European and US stocks rose on Tuesday due to corporate results, which are in focus this week as investors look for signs of an economic slowdown and any indication that trade strife is affecting profits. Asian indexes rose, led by 0.9% gain in Japan's Topix. Other benchmarks in the region showed more modest results, with South Korea's Kospi index at 0.4%, Hong Kong's Seng rose 0.2%, and China's Shanghai Composite climbed 0.3%. US futures were higher 0.1% after technology shares led an advance on Wall Street on Monday. Euro Stoxx 50 futures soared 0.5%. Meanwhile, the yen weakened as the dollar gained against major peers. The British pound decreased after a forecast showed Brexit may have already pushed the UK into a technical recession. The yield on 10-year Treasuries was at 2.05%. BAIC announces a purchase of 5% stake in Daimler. Beijing Automotive Group Co. Ltd. stated on Tuesday that it had purchased a 5% stake in German luxury car maker Daimler. Daimler, which since 2013 has held a stake in a Hong Kong-listed BAIC subsidiary, said it welcomed the investment. Reuters reported in May that Beijing Automotive Group was seeking to buy a stake of up to 5% in Daimler as a way to secure its investment in Chinese Mercedes-Benz manufacturing company, Beijing-Benz Automotive. BAIC's investment comes as Daimler has been deepening its alliance with Geely after the Chinese group's chairman Li Shufu bought a 9.69% stake in Daimler in 2018. Geely declined to comment. Boris Johnson made to hold a PM post. Boris Johnson is expected to be elected leader of Britain's governing Conservative Party and the country's next prime minister on Tuesday, with his do-or-die pledge to deliver Brexit in just over 3 months. Johnson and his rival Foreign Secretary Jeremy Hunt have struggled to win over the less than 200,000 Conservative Party members who will choose Britain's new leader. Voting closed on Monday and the result is due to be announced on Tuesday morning. The winner will formally take over as a prime minister on Wednesday afternoon, succeeding Theresa May, who stepped down over her failure to get Parliament to ratify the Brexit deal. Johnson, the former London mayor who resigned as foreign minister a year ago over May's Brexit plans, is the clear favorite to replace her, with several polls putting him on around 70%. U.S. authority sets to tighten food stamp rule. U.S. Department of Agriculture officials said on Tuesday that Trump administration will propose a rule to tighten food stamp restriction that would cut about 3.1 million people from the program. President Donald Trump has argued that many Americans now use an SNAP, Supplemental Nutrition Assistance Program, do not need it given the strong economy and low unemployment and should be removed as a way to save taxpayers as much as $15 billion. So administration wants to require people who receive temporary assistance for needy families to pass a review of their income and assets to determine whether they are eligible for free food from SNAP.